Welcome to this video, where we deep dive into the world of maintenance strategies. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we'll be looking at reliability-centered maintenance, also known as RCM. You'll learn how this strategy helps optimize methods to keep equipment running smoothly and how it stacks up against preventive maintenance. We'll also discuss how poor maintenance can negatively impact businesses and walk you through the 6 steps of implementing RCM. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stay tuned to learn how you can improve your maintenance program. Let's dive into the world of reliability-centered maintenance. This is a maintenance strategy that focuses on using the most optimal methods to keep equipment running smoothly. It's all about performing a thorough analysis to help company assets function reliably while keeping costs down. You might be surprised to learn that over 80% of equipment failures occur at random, making time-based strategies not the best choice. So, how does RCM stack up against preventive maintenance? While preventive maintenance has its advantages, it can be inefficient when applied to every asset in a facility. That's where RCM comes in. It reduces inefficiencies by assigning unique maintenance activities to individual assets. Each asset is carefully considered before a type of maintenance is assigned. In some cases, this may happen to be preventive maintenance. Now let's talk about how poor maintenance reliability can impact businesses. When maintenance is handled poorly, a few issues may arise. You might see increased downtime, lost profits, unsafe work environments, quickly depreciated assets, and slow production time. So how do we perform RCM? Here are 6 steps. First, identify valuable machinery or equipment. Then, identify reasons for system failure. Once you've done that, record those failure components. After that, your engineers or maintenance teams will work to find an optimal solution. Once the best solution for each asset is selected, it's time to put it into action. Finally, monitor the results over time for improvement. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions about RCM. You might be wondering about the best KPIs to track the performance of your maintenance team. These include PMP, response time for repairs and work orders, reactive maintenance tasks per machine, schedule compliance, maintenance backlog, and maintenance overtime. Another common question is how to balance your maintenance workload. It helps to take a close look at your scheduling practices, coordinate with staff members, and evaluate your staffing needs as a whole. What about the major trends in facility management? Current trends include Internet of Things with smart technology, data-driven decisions, AI and automation, and increased mobility. And what are some common mistakes facility managers make? These can include an unhealthy focus on budget, failing to listen to employees, and mismanaging inventory. Lastly, how do you determine the return on investment of reliability? The shortest way is to take the benefit or return of the investment divided by the cost of the investment. But remember, this doesn't account for non-tangible benefits like employee satisfaction or a better working environment. So there you have it. That's a quick rundown on reliability-centered maintenance. By applying the right types of maintenance to individual assets, you can decrease maintenance costs while upholding compliance. It's a strategy that requires significant resources upfront, but has the potential to turn your maintenance program into a world-class operation. Thank you for watching our deep dive into reliability-centered maintenance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, the right maintenance strategy can turn your program into a world-class operation.